Two chatbot giants, two different approaches, ManyChat versus Respond.io. Which one really delivers? On the left, ManyChat, making conversational marketing easy for thousands of creators and small businesses. And on the right, Respond.io, powering scalable, omni-channel messaging for global brands. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each round earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the lead. The winner in 2025 might surprise you.
Okay, before we dive in, here's our mind map. We're going to walk through core focus, channel support, automation and AI, integrations and API, reporting and analytics, security and reliability, customer support, pricing, and user ratings. It's a full-on comparison, so buckle up. All right, first up, core focus. ManyChat is kind of awesome if you're a creator, run a small e-commerce shop, or you're just dipping your toes into agency automation. Why? The setup is super quick, and honestly, even a total beginner could get going in like a morning. But here's the deal. If you need anything heavy-duty for scaling, complex workflows, or enterprise vibes, it kind of falls short. On the other hand, Respond.io, oh, and here's something cool. It's actually built for those bigger, nastier workflows. We're talking centralized management, true omnichannel sales and support, and things that sound scary, like voice calls and actual chat routing. It might feel like overkill if you're just selling custom socks from your basement, but if you dream bigger, this is the real MVP. So yeah, Respond.io takes the win for core focus. Next, let's talk channel support. ManyChat lets you automate chats on WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Telegram, TikTok, SMS, and even email. Not bad, but, and this is a bit of a letdown, it skips things like Line, Viber, WeChat, VoIP. And if you want to build custom stuff, nope. Now compare that to Respond.io, which legit supports all the ones you'd ever want. WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, Line, Viber, WeChat, SMS, web chat, VoIP. It's basically like every messaging channel you could imagine, even some I didn't know people still used. No joke. Clear winner here, Respond.io. Now, automation and AI. ManyChat is pretty sweet if you hate coding, with its drag-and-drop chatbot builder, some handy AI for writing messages and templates, and easy lead capture. But if you want advanced stuff, like training AI on your company docs, or smart knowledge bases, not going to happen. Plus, extra AI features cost more. Respond.io ups the game. You get super advanced, no-code automations for those complex, multi-channel nightmares. Built-in AI agents who work your chats, and even voice calls 24/7. And you can literally train the AI with PDFs, web pages, FAQs, all the nerdy things. That is extremely cool. So, Respond.io nails it again. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Respond.io actually handles over 1 billion messages a month for global brands? That's like wild. How do you even count that high? Let's move on to integrations and API. ManyChat hooks up with the usual suspects, like HubSpot, Google Sheets, Shopify, WooCommerce, and ActiveCampaign. It covers the basics, but if you want to build something really custom, the API options get limited, and you might just be stuck. Respond.io, on the other hand, feels like it was made for integration nerds. Salesforce and HubSpot? Check. Zapier, Make, webhooks, e-commerce, custom APIs, you name it, it probably connects. So for flexibility and big enterprise needs, Respond.io is the winner. Analytics time. Raise your hand if you nerd out over stats. Just me. ManyChat gives you standard analytics to see how automations and customer journeys perform. But if you need agent-specific stuff or want to see how each channel is actually, well, channeling, it's kind of limited. Respond.io, it's like analytics heaven. You can dig deep on everything. Resolution times, broadcast effectiveness, agent performance, it's crazy detailed. For anyone obsessed with optimization, this is huge. And yeah, Respond.io is king here. Security and reliability. Okay, this is one people forget until something goes wrong. ManyChat? It's solid for small biz, no shade. But there's no public data on uptime, and nothing fancy like ISO certification. So if your business depends on never missed messages, it's a bit of an unknown. Respond.io is at another level. 99.9996% uptime. Actually ISO 27001 certified, and can blast through tons of messages without blinking. Like, major peace of mind factor. That's a lock in favor of Respond.io. Customer support. This one always gets people talking. ManyChat gives you the basics, email and ticket support, plus a knowledge base. But if you want live chat or need quick help, good luck, because escalation can be kinda slow. Respond.io flips the script. You get live chat Monday to Friday, experts who actually solve your stuff, plus multilingual support, and an AI agent on weekends. Sweet. Oh, and you can schedule success calls if you're feeling fancy. Another clean win for Respond.io. All right, now pricing. Here's the plot twist. ManyChat starts at just $15 a month, and, heads up, you even get a free plan. Not bad, just limited. Just watch out for the sneaky upsells if you want the cool features. Those add-ons can add up. Respond.io offers a 7-day free trial, but the base plan starts at $79 a month, which is, let's be real, a big jump. It's justified if you need all the extra power, but in terms of wallet friendliness, ManyChat finally takes the crown here. Last but not least, user ratings. ManyChat scores an impressive 4.6 out of 5, pretty beloved by small businesses and marketers. But as you move up the ladder, those missing features sometimes frustrate folks. Respond.io, though, nabs a 4.8. People just love the fact you can scale up smoothly, get epic automation, and not stress about support. So, for reputation and happy users, Respond.io sneaks ahead. If you like seeing things visually, check out the radar chart right here. It's kinda obvious. Respond.io pulls way ahead in most areas. Except price. You can literally see the difference in capabilities. So, bottom line, if you just want quick, simple marketing chatbots for social media and you don't want to break the bank, ManyChat is actually a great choice. But if you want to go big, serious automation, multi-channel messaging, enterprise-grade analytics, and security, Respond.io is in another league altogether. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next